If you own 2 or more Patagonia vests, you're probably gonna want to pick up a bottle. I don't know why, I just see a lot of Patagonias drinking this. Skrewball Peanut Butter Whiskey. You guys know about this stuff? Let's give it a try and make some cocktails. Welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Alright, let's crack this thing open. Let's give it a little smell. You guys smell the peanut butter. I'm getting other things. Get like this buttery caramel, like popcorn. This is caramel corn. I guess something with the peanut butter mixing with the whiskey. It's like caramel corn. It's caramel corn. All right, enough wasting time. Let's try this. Cheers. Alright, it's sweet. It's so sweet. At least in the class of a whiskey, this is very sweet. This is liquid caramel corn. This is extremely smooth though. There is absolutely no burn. I can see this being the next Fireball. Alright, I realize this isn't gonna taste the same for everyone, so that review is kinda useless. Let me try to help you out. If you say you don't like sweet drinks, but you secretly do sometimes, Skrewball Whiskey. And if you typically don't like whiskey, and simultaneously wish that you could melt down caramel corn into a liquid form, Skrewball Whiskey. If you're a straight up high proof whiskey drinker, just love the burn, want to taste the barrel, probably not Skrewball. Maybe just give this a shot anyway, huh? I feel like you're gonna be seeing this a lot at the bars. But anyways, let's get into some cocktails. We're starting off with a peanut butter old fashioned. Polished low ball old fashioned glass. Off to the side, let's bring in a mixing glass, throw some ice, Skrewball whiskey, we're doing 1.5 ounces in. Next we have my favorite Rye Whiskey. We're doing 3/4 ounce in. We got Angostura bitters, we're doing 4 dashes. We're taking a paper towel, we're cleaning up our mess. Bar spoon it up, let's stir. Normally we stir this for 30 seconds. I'm gonna stir this for 40 seconds. I just realized I don't have any big ice cubes, and I refuse to put multiple ice cubes in an old fashioned. Alright, let's give that a try. Oh, it's actually not bad. Alright, let's grab our glass, strainer. Ooh. And this recipe is straight off of the Skrewball website. Perfect. Get these Luxardo maraschino cherries. Grab one of those. Let's drop that right in. Little orange peel. Let's kind of grip it all the way across the top and the bottom and express over the drink. Quick swipe and drop. And that's the peanut butter old fashioned. And it's not bad. We didn't add any extra sweetener like you normally would in old fashioned, and it's not as sweet as I thought it would be. I would drink this. Maybe some chocolate or like banana bitters instead. Alright, this is more fun than I thought it would be. Let's make another cocktail. Alright, for our peanut butter Manhattan, we got a coupe. Throw that off to the side for now. Mixing glass again, throw in some ice. We're starting off with 1 ounce of our Skrewball. In. Next we got 1 ounce of our Rye Whiskey. In. Next we got my favorite Sweet Vermouth, Bandada. It's from Spain. It's unreal. We're doing 1 ounce. In. Angostura bitters again, 2 dashes. 1, 2. God, I'm bad at that. Paper towel. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Stir. We're gonna go for about 30 seconds. Ooh. Yes. Coupe. Strainer again. Ooh. Another maraschino cherry right in there. And we have the peanut butter Manhattan. Cheers. That's good. I think I might even like this one more than the old fashioned. Get in there one more time. Hold on, let me just see. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to figure this one out. And there you have it. That's Skrewball Peanut Butter Whiskey. I feel like you're gonna be seeing this a lot in the near future if you haven't already. If you try it, you gotta let me know in the comments. And even if you don't really like it straight, you try one of these recipes. I think it's actually a lot more palatable in a cocktail. That's for me, you gotta try it for yourself. All right, well the lighting's getting all weird in here, so I'm gonna end the video. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. But only if you liked it. Cheers, guys, and thank you for watching. Or do I like this one better? Ooh, but now I kind of forgot what this one tastes like. Oh, interesting. But going back to this,